Okay, it's the big winter storm of February 2010. It started snowing last night and it hasn't stopped, and now a second storm has come through. So I'm in Maplewood, New Jersey, and I'm on the third floor of the house, and I'm going to take a look out and see exactly how bad it is. Second storm has just started, and as you can see, very, very snowy, very, very windy. This is the backyard. Looks like, oh, so far there's about a half a foot, so 6 inches. And now it's time to go and shovel the snow, because if it gets too much snow, it's going to be too hard to move. I'm going to go suit up and get ready to go outside into the blizzard.